First, open your browser, Safari or Google Chrome, and search Prezi.com. Once you're on the website, you'll have two options: sign up if you're new, or log in if you already have an account. I'm going to choose log in since I already have an account. Just select whichever option applies to you. Prezi lets you log in using your Google, Facebook, or Apple account, depending on what you have linked before. Click on Create New Presentation. You'll be shown a variety of templates. Choose one that fits your topic or style. When you find one you like, tap Use this template. Before you start editing, you can decide who can view your presentation. I usually choose public so others can see and learn from it too. Now let's edit your presentation. You can change the background color to match your theme. Head over to the Style section to choose different fonts, colors, and visual styles. Add text by clicking on any text box. This is great for titles, headings, or main points. You can also add media, like images or files. Want to include a YouTube video? Just copy and paste the link into your slide. It's that easy. You can also spice things up by adding GIFs, stickers, or icons. Shapes like arrows, circles, and boxes are also available to highlight or organize content visually. And finally, you can add animations to make your slides more dynamic. Choose how each point appears. This helps keep your audience engaged. Once your presentation is ready, tap Present. This opens up the presenter view. This special screen is available only to you while presenting. Here, you can add a short script or notes for each slide to guide your delivery. Adjust the speed at which you present. Go faster or slower depending on your comfort. It's like having a mini teleprompter on screen just for you. Prezi also lets you create infographics, a great way to present data or complex information in a simple visual format. Tap Create New Infographic. You'll see a wide selection of templates. Pick one that suits your topic, give your project a title, set the visibility. Again, I like to make mine public so others can benefit. Now start designing. Add text, charts, and maps to explain your content. Use graphics, videos, and elements to make your infographic eye-catching. You can also add shapes or upload your own images for a personal touch. Once everything looks good, just share your design with others by copying the link or downloading it. Let me show you a quick example. Once your presentation is ready, click Present. Turn on your camera if you want to appear on screen. Hit Record to start presenting. This is a great feature if you want to create recorded lessons, video assignments, or tutorials that your classmates or students can watch anytime. And that's how you use Prezi to level up your presentations and designs. Whether you're a student presenting a class project or a teacher delivering an engaging lesson, Prezi gives you all the tools to be creative, organized, and professional. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and give it a try.